Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how students can request course enrollment from the student portal in openSIS. As we can see here, we are currently logged into the student portal. Within the student portal, students can access their academic information, schedules, grades, attendance records, report cards, and other related details. Now, from the side navigation menu, navigate to the Courses module. Under Courses, click on Course Enrollment. Here, we can view the list of all available courses along with their respective course sections. Click on any course to expand and view the available sections under that particular course. Before selecting a course section, students should first check the seat availability displayed for that section and enroll accordingly. Students can request enrollment into both the course and its specific course section. For this demonstration, let us select the following courses and sections: Artificial Intelligence, Alt Science, and Cybersecurity. Students can also select multiple course sections depending on their enrollment requirements and the available seats within each section. In the green summary box below, we can view all the selected course sections that have been added to the enrollment request list. If a student accidentally selects the wrong course or section, it can easily be removed by clicking on the minus icon displayed beside the selected course in the summary box. After reviewing all the selected course sections, click on Request for Enrollment. Once the request is submitted successfully, the enrollment request is automatically sent to the administrator or the respective course teacher for approval. Now, let us see how students can check the status of their enrollment requests. From the Courses module, click on Course Enrollment Status. Here, students can view all the submitted enrollment requests along with their current approval status. At the moment, these requests are displayed as pending because they have not yet been approved by the administrator or the assigned course teacher. Once the requests are approved and scheduled, the status will automatically update within the student portal accordingly. This completes the process of requesting course enrollment from the student portal in openSIS. Thank you for watching.